This is Infinix Note 30 and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, enter the users and accounts category and remove any Google accounts you might have. Then re-enter the Google category of settings, go for the parental controls, get started, child routine, next. Then sign into your child's Google account. Then once the child's Google account was successfully logged into, so you will need to select it from the list over here. Then log into parental Google account as well. After that, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page. Over here, input the child's Google account password one more time. Then you will need to tap at the Agree button. Let me first enter the password properly. Onwards, allow the supervision, wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then once they do, we can just finish the setup or simply skip all the steps that will follow. So all those steps doesn't really matter, so we can just glide through them and skip them. Since everything that it suggests we set up, we can set up later on, so there is no need to stop our attention on it. So as you can see, the child end of things were successfully set up. Now, what you need to do is to take your parental device or, well, whatever phone or tablet you wanted to supervise your child's activity with and download the free Google Family Link app from the Play Store. So here is the app. Then launch it. Make sure to sign in with the parental Google account. And here is the list of controls that you have an access to as a parent. Then you can also monitor your child's location or see your child's device usage highlights. Anyway, that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this smartphone goes. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.